Hello again. I am just going to show you the other part of finishing my neckbands. I am notorious for cover stitching everything, so I cover stitch my neckbands. As nice as the cuff ribbing looks on its own, I'm just absolutely obsessed with top stitching. So I wanted to show you real quick how I finish my neckband. So I start at the back, just a little bit past the center. This takes a little bit more time because with the raglans, there's 4 seams that I'm slowing down and hopping over. All right, so this is my beginning. It's very hard to see, but I'll show you up close in a second. All right, so I finished with the needles up. I put my foot up. I take either a bodkin or this is called the purple thing. This went out in a style box a while ago. And I put it under the foot, but behind, sorry. I'm looking at the phone and not what I'm doing. Put it behind the threads and I'm gonna pull the needle threads forward. So it's just the needle threads. It's not anything under the project. I'm gonna cut these and then I pull my project out to the back. And then what's left is that bottom looper. And then what you have left on the top. So I went, this is actually way more obvious in the video, but I went over maybe a centimeter. And then I have these 2 top needle threads. I'm gonna cut those. I will do a dot of fray check here, just because that's what I like to do. I don't have any near me right now. And then the back of this is up to you, but this is the way I like to do it, is I take the threads that are left and I just knot them twice. And then I'm gonna trim it. And it's a little messy from when I sewed off and cut the serger threads, but that's what the inside of mine looks like. That's what the back looks like. And then, let's see if I can hold this up well. That is what the finished product looks like. So I serge the neckband on first, and then I cover stitch, or if you have a twin needle, you can top stitch. You don't even need a twin needle. You could even use a single on your sewing machine. That works too, but that's what it looks like. And this is the olive cuff ribbing. It just lays so nicely. I mean, this is without even ironing it, so. All right, that's how I do a neckband.